If you are watching this video, then it is obvious that you already have a business, you got customers, but you are not making the revenue or profit you truly desire. Let's be real. Most people start a business to make money. And yes, some are driven by passion or dream. But even then, the ultimate goal is financial freedom. Not just to make money, but to build a generational wealth that takes care of you and your family for years to come. What I feel really sad about is that there are entrepreneurs who are building businesses, who are getting clients, who are working hard, but still they never get rich. I mean, if you are not getting any customers, then I can understand your money problem. But what if you are getting customers, they are purchasing your products or services, and still you couldn't get rich? It hurts, doesn't it? But don't worry, because in this video I am going to show you how to unlock generational wealth from your existing customers just by increasing your customer lifetime value. After consulting over 100 plus entrepreneurs, I noticed one common mistake. They put all their energy, sales, marketing, advertising, all that effort just for one sale. And once that sale happens, they leave that customer alone and move on to the next prospect. I mean, why treat that first sale like a last sale? Why not to sell your existing customer again and again? Think about it. If you sell a $5,000 product, you need 200 new customers to make $1 million. That requires a lot of marketing, a lot of your time, and a lot of your cash. But if you sell that same $5,000 product just 3 times to each customers, you only need 67 customers to make the same million. Plus, you save the cost of acquiring 133 new customers. Remember, it's easier to sell someone who already bought from you than to convince someone new to buy from you. So instead of acquiring new customers, why don't you increase the lifetime value of your existing customers and earn from them? But before that, you should know how to calculate customer lifetime value. Customer lifetime value is the total amount of money a customer spends with you over a period of time. That is, customer lifetime value is equal to average purchase value into purchase frequency into customer lifespan. For example, if a customer spends $100 per year, buy 2 times per year, and remains a customer for 5 years, then the customer lifetime value would be $1,000. The higher the customer lifetime value is, the more money you will make for long term without chasing new customer, without spending more on ads, without burning out. But the real question is, how can you increase your customer lifetime value? How can you take that $1,000 to $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000? Here are 6 simple ways to do that. First, raise prices slowly. Add value first, then increase your prices. Don't just jump from $200 to $400 overnight. That will damage the trust that you have with your customers. Instead, give more, then raise a little. For example, if you are charging $1,000 for gym membership, then you can raise it to $1,200 just by providing free fitness tracking app and free supplements. That's how you can grow your revenue without pushing people away. Second, lower the cost. Always find a way to reduce the cost of production, cost of delivery, and overheads. Always find better deals with suppliers or find better suppliers. Make things simple, clean, and cost effective without lowering the quality. Third, increase buying frequency. The more often customers buy, the more you earn. Use retention marketing through WhatsApp, email, loyalty offers, free gifts, and membership perks. Always keep your customers to keep coming back to you. Fourth, upsell real value. Offer premium versions or upgrades of what you already sold. If someone bought a camera, offer premium lenses or tripods. Make sure the upsell makes sense and enhance their original purchase experience. Fifth, cross-sell smartly. Cross-sells happen when you try to sell a product which is complementary to the existing product they already bought from you. For example, if they bought coffee machine, then try to sell them coffee packs too. Don't try to sell random stuff, just try to help them to complete their purchase experience. Sixth, downsell. Don't lose the relationship with the customers if they can't afford your main offer. Don't let them walk away. You spend your time and money to acquire that lead. So instead, offer something smaller, simpler, and more affordable, but still valuable. For example, if someone comes to your resort with low budget, then give him low features room. But remember, low features doesn't mean low quality. You should always sell good quality of products or services to your customers. You just have to make changes in features as per customer's budget. So that it's for today, guys. Always keep in the mind that you didn't start your business just to survive. You started it for freedom, wealth and happiness for yourself and your family. So don't walk away from the customers who already trusted you, bought from you and invested in you. And hey, if you're not sure where to begin, or you just don't have time to do it, or if you want to scale your business faster, then you can visit to our website and book a strategy call to get started. We will grow your business and help you scale faster. Check the link in the description. Let's build a business that will generate generational wealth in the smart way.